Welcome to Digitiser's Great British Days Out. I'll start that again. Welcome to Digitiser's Great British. What's the matter?
Your fringe is kind of. All right.
Welcome to Digitiser's Great British Days Out. Today we're here at Welcome.
It's really noisy here.
It's over there.
It's not peaceful. It's the least peaceful woods I've ever been in. This is insanely unpeaceful.
Welcome to Digitiser's Digitiser's Animal World, where today we're at Aldenham Country Park and we're in search of some animals.
What kind of animals are we searching for?
Just what, that pigs?
I'm sorry? Specifically pigs?
I want to see a pig.
Have you never seen a pig before?
Yes, but it's my dream. I've got a dream of slapping a pig. Like that. Like, you know, like...
I don't think they're going to let you slap any of their pigs.
Well, we'll see. Not hard to hurt them, but I want to hear the slapping sound. They've just got a lovely, smooth flank, and they look like they're fat. So I just want to slap like that, you know.
I'm not sure if the pig would enjoy
Pigs won't
that.
feel it. They're fat. They won't feel it through all their fat.
Are you saying fat people don't have feelings?
Whoa! I haven't mentioned fat people.
You're talking about pigs.
Pigs aren't people.
Yeah, but they have feelings.
Yeah, okay, but they've
Wait, you're saying
insulated.
fat does not equal having being slapped? I've got a problem
Not
with
emotional
this conversation.
feeling. Okay, in your head, I'm like basically punching the pig in its stomach or something. In my head, it's just like gentle, loving slaps, just like slap, and like you would to a baby's bum, like can't resist, slap, and I want to do that to a pig, not to its bum.
This is a really weird conversation.
Let's go into the farm.
All right, I hope you don't get kicked out from slapping a pig.
The duck. Quack, quack. Fun fact, the orange in a duck's bill comes from the vitamins in greenery. That doesn't make any sense. Their bills aren't green, they're orange. Look. What's stopping
It's a
those?
lovely orange colour. It's a beautiful duck.
Why isn't it flying away?
Hello, you're beautiful.
Why isn't it flying away?
It's not scared.
There's no roof
And it's
on
got
this.
nowhere to go.
What do you mean? It's
Well,
a
this
duck.
is its home.
You go to the clouds. What's a good name for a duck?
Ducky!
That's the best you got, is it? Ducky.
William.
What? Dick. Dick duck.
No, Richard is Dick.
What's
William is Bill.
What? What on earth are you talking about?
Okay, Dick is short for Richard.
Dick duck, alliteration. It's better.
Oh, you think the name Dick? I thought you were saying William. Dick was short for William.
What on earth
Dick is
are you
short for
talking about?
Richard, and Bill is short for William.
What's
So
it
actually,
called?
William is the perfect name for a duck.
Dick duck.
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill?
Check, please.
There's more ducks.
I'm alarmed by.
Oh, look at that chunky one at the back. I believe that's a
they're not
goose.
flying away. They've got a water.
They've got a good life here. Why would they fly away?
Look at that. That's a waddler.
It's a waddle dude.
Just waddle.
They love it.
This isn't very exotic, is it? You can go anywhere and see a duck.
Well, it's a farm. This isn't a zoo. It's a farm.
You can go anywhere.
You're obsessed with them going anywhere.
But they're not. There's no guarantee they're going to stay. That big one's not a duck, it's a goose.
I've already said that
When?
earlier.
Well, I'm meant to be giving the facts, not you. I'm
I'm
host.
feeding you the facts.
I'm the host, you're behind the scenes talent.
Yeah, I'm feeding you the facts behind the scenes. Like, you know, the people that talk through earpieces.
Well, I haven't got an earpiece and you're loud. So
I know, so I'm talking directly into your ear.
Goose. It's not going to be
Caviar porcellus.
It's not going to be satisfying to slap a guinea pig, is it?
Oh, I would hope you wouldn't slap one.
At most, I'd stroke it. At most. And even then, I'm not
Do you
that
not
bothered.
like them? They're so cute,
I'm not
though.
bothered about them. It's
Oh my god, the little one in the house. Oh. Standing up and eating. Oh, it's having the time of its life. It's living its best life. It's like, I'm just gonna eat all this food and no one's gonna stop me. I can relate to that. The chickens are really loud. Oh, look.
I'm not putting any of this footage in.
The other one, man, the other one just ran in.
Fun fact, Queen Elizabeth I owned a pet guinea pig. Just one. You'd have thought she'd have had loads.
Maybe she could only afford one.
Are they from Papua New Guinea?
I think it says they're from Peru.
Oh.
And I believe that possibly in Peru they actually eat guinea pigs.
It says here, please do not feed me.
Yeah, well, it's having a great time already eating.
But that's the only warning. So you could do anything else you wanted to. You could throw it against the side of the shed.
No, Paul.
Or tread on it.
We're not doing. No, that's so not going to happen.
Well, okay. What if someone's very literal? What if they're very literal?
So not going to happen.
And they take it literally, and they go, "Well, you didn't say I couldn't do all those other things. You just said I couldn't feed it. Well, I wasn't feeding it. I'd put it in a bag and slung it around my head."
It's also, there's a fence which you're not allowed to cross.
Okay, well, I could get a really long sausage, and that's what are you saying?
Hey,
Doesn't say don't cross the fence. The fence could be seen by some people as a challenge, not a rule.
Hey, Paul.
Yes, Sanja.
What is the best animal to go and run your errands and get your coffees and spread messages for you and stuff like that?
What?
The runner duck.
Stupid. Runner ducks stand erect like penguins. There's not any in there anyway.
I love it so much.
There's no instructions here of what you can't do, so you can do anything with these chickens.
Look how cute it is. It's got a little hat on.
That's a hat.
Look, they're all together doing their thing. Pekins are not very prolific egg layers, yet they are very good mothers, and as such they can be used to hatch out other hens' eggs while being kept as pets.
I've got a question.
Yeah.
Are they called Pekins because they're always pecking around?
I think so. Yeah, I think that's exactly why they're called Pekins.
Peking Batman.
And they're so cute. Look at their legs. Pekin Batman.
Yeah, that's what they're called.
Why Batman?
That's what they're called. It's the name on the thing. Jesus Christ.
I was just thinking that. Oh my god, you look so happy.
Got feed.
We got animal feed. So apparently it's colour coded outside each pen. You look so happy.
I feed pig. Can you feed the pig?
I suppose.
I'm gonna feed the goat.
If it says you can. The goat was waiting for it.
Goats, as we all know, just eat trash.
No, they eat anything.
Exactly. Mainly trash, stuff you throw away. If you had like an old laptop, you could feed it to a goat. That's a fact. That's one of the facts you'll learn here on Digitiser's Animal World.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's other people feeding the goat now.
For God's sakes, the goats are going to be full.
Oh my god, this guy has been waiting for so long. So it's orange feed bag.
Well, I know, but look how scary he is.
He's not scary. He's friendly. Oh, they're very excited. Wow.
I've thrown it in there. They're going to want to eat it out of my hand.
Are they? I don't know. A male goat is known as a billy, while a female is known as a nanny. Oh my god. You're a bit scared. So cute.
Just come back this way. I don't want to go over there. So, our bag's coming. Ah!
It eats sideways.
I know. Yeah.
I suppose its head can't fit
can't
through.
I want to look at that one.
Yeah, that one's feeling left out.
Lucky, you've had too much.
No.
Okay, I can't.
Oh, this one's missed out. You haven't had any. Oh no, here comes Tully. Here comes Tully. Hey, you just like headbutted him or her.
That one goes in there.
I know. He's like.
Okay, you need to calm down. I'm trying to give your friend some. Look, you have some. There. Oh God. Oh, that one just.
He keeps like
No, you're not
headbutting
getting any
him.
more. I don't like you. You're not getting any more. You're bully.
Bully goat. Oh look, large white pig.
Where?
Here, it says large white pig. Scrofa domesticus.
I beg your pardon. Scrotum domesticus.
Fun fact, the large white is internationally known as the Yorkshire pig.
It's
About
traditional
me.
Meat producer.
Say that again.
Meat producer, bacon pig.
Bacon pig.
I got licked by goats
Oh.
and I'm feeling a bit grossed out.
The llama didn't want to take your charity.
Unbelievable. I mean,
Oh, it's,
I'll get up for them. Oh, finally. Here we go. You like some?
oh, so cute. Please don't spit at us. Oh, he's so gentle. Oh, alpaca, not llama. Oh, so cute.
I mean, they've got like Celine Dion neck, haven't they? They're like the Celine Dion, the animal
I
kingdom.
wonder if they're really good at singing.
Alpaca?
Is your heart gonna go on? Will your heart go on? And on?
Like his neck. My neck will go on.
Neck will go on.
It's very dirty. Fun fact, farmers used to use alpacas to guard their flocks from wolves.
They're flocks of sheep from wolves.
Well, as opposed to what, they're flocks of cabbages.
Well, I know, but like, you have to specify.
Flock is implicit in the name.
But you said farmers, not shepherds, so it's not implicit.
Farmers also have sheep.
Implicit.
Farmers, sheep, alpaca. I don't think an alpaca is going to be very good against the wolf, is it?
Might be.
With that
Spits
neck,
at it.
bit of a target, that neck, isn't
Whips it with its neck.
it? It's three magpies.
Can you imagine, like,
Four magpies.
can you imagine alpacas whipping wolves with their neck?
Wrapping the neck around the wolf to snare it like a big tentacle with a head on.
Yeah.
This place is Magpie Central. I can see five magpies. So I don't know
Five
that-
for a
one for
girl,
sorrow, two for joy,
three for a girl, four for a boy.
five for a secret never to be told.
Oh.
What are you hiding, Sanja? I think that sheep thing there has got some secrets.
Sheep thing
Yeah.
or sheep.
So fun fact, male sheep are called rams and female sheep are called roms.
Is that where the CD-ROM comes from?
Well, that's the joke, isn't it? Now you've just sort of, by elaborating on it, you've made it less good.
Or have I made it better?
I don't think so. There's a bull
They
cock.
have water.
Yeah, there's a bull cock down there. Here's a anecdote for you. Once I was up on holiday in Scotland visiting our friends who moved up there, and we were walking across some hills in the Highlands where supposedly the army did training. I was quite young at the time, and I found in the middle of a whatever you call it, hillside, field of heather. Found a bullcock, and I went to pick it up, and my friend's dad said, "Don't touch that, it could be a bomb." It took me years. It was years later that I realised he was lying.
Oh, man. But the moment that you realised, must have been like all the lights went on inside your mind.
I've been lied to my whole life. So now whenever I think of bullcocks, I think of bombs. That's
Oh, I thought you were going to say you think of lies.
bombs and lies, and that's why I've got such bad PTSD. Another magpie. Two more magpies. Three more magpies. What is this place?
The bullcock is the father of all lies.
5.
Like
4.
Herodotus.
5. I see 5. 6. 6!
What's 6?
5 for secret, never to be told. 6 for... 6 hands. 7, 8. I've never seen 8 magpies at once. What's 8?
What's 8?
This is out of control.
8's a party.
Okay, that dude is getting closer. You can film him. No, he's walked away now. That's
Oh, you put him off. Oh my God, Paul, there are piglets.
The pigs, please.
Yes, I will. Oh my God, there's piglets. Oh, we have Mama Pig and all the little baby piglets. Oh, they're so cute. They're having the best time. They are literally having the best time.
Pigs are among my favourite animals.
Cool.
And not just because they're slappable. And I don't mean that like I don't like them way, but they're just very enticingly slappable. In a nice way. But I think they are. They're up there. They might be in my top 3 animals. I mean, it's such a shame. They're so delicious to eat.
What are the other 2 animals? Magpie?
Well, they're all pigs.
No, what are the other 2 of your favourite animals? You said the pigs were in your top
Sloth
3.
and monkeys.
Ah.
I don't want to slap a sloth or a
Interesting. Oh, the other 2 are tree dwellers.
monkey. You could put a pig in a tree.
I suppose you could.
And it probably would struggle to get down, so it would then be a tree.
It would be a tree dweller.
Now, I think we can feed these. I read it somewhere.
Well, we need to find a sign that says what colour.
We did. It was up there, but I can't remember
what colour is the pig food
pigs,
bag.
they eat any old shit. I'm a bit sad because I think I'm not going to get to slap them because there's an electric fence.
Oh yeah, good.
What?
Hi, Mummy Pig. Hello. Oh, they're not on its nose.
I didn't mean to. It moved its head.
Be gentle on her nose. She's a girl. Oh, they're so cute. Hi, little guys.
Oh, they keep
Stop throwing it on their heads.
I don't mean to. They keep getting in the way.
Are you sure this is pig food?
Yes, 80 to 90% sure.
Look at the baby. Oh, he's so pink. Oh, it went to get some milk from its mum.
Tits.
Paul.
Pigs have tits. Stinks. It's just poo everywhere. It's just a poo shed. It's their toilet, this, I think. Disgusting. There's another hole I'm going to put my head through. I don't know why you can't put your head in with the donk. I think that's a wasted opportunity.
The dong?
The donk.
You want to put your head with the dong?
No, the donk. I would very much like to have my head in a shed with a donk.
I bet you would.
Don't trivialise my dreams. Fun fact, donkeys can recognise areas and people. Donkeys
Other donkeys they were with.
were weird up to 25 years ago. Donkey. 50 years. They live at my age. If I die now, I'll die like a donkey. Not the only thing I've got in common with a donkey. You having fun?
It's an interesting look.
Don't fit.
Oh, these are guinea fowl. But look at, hang on, just a second. The brown ones really do look like dinosaurs. Look at their legs. Actually, that one as well. Guinea fowl. Do you think they're related to guinea pigs?
Yeah. I feel quite powerful when I do this because they run where I like go there. Go here now. Here, I command you. Fun fact: guinea fowl are very hard to sex from their appearance. Don't know what that means.
That you don't know their sex.
Well, I'm assuming they do sex.
No, you don't know whether they're male or female. Just from their appearance.
I'm assuming there's both.
Right. They're saying it's tricky to tell just from their appearance.
What, whether they have sex?
No, whether they're male or female.
I don't understand.
There's a chicken in there with them.
The thing about cows is, unlike pigs, pigs are kind of beautiful.
Cows are beautiful. Look at their eyes.
They're
so
stunning.
big.
They're so big they disgust me a bit.
No.
The eyes.
That makes me feel self-conscious.
I look at their eyes and I go, I should find those beautiful. But they're so big. They're like the size of a tennis ball, and I find it a bit gross. An eye that big. It's noisy in the background. It's putting me off the cows. Hear all that? It's really putting me off the cows. I'm trying to have a moment with the cows, and there's just drilling and sawing in the background. How am I meant to enjoy cows? Fun fact: cows have 2 or 3 stomachs, 4 stomachs.
I think 4.
Cows have 4 stomachs. Fun fact. Fun fact: cows have big eyes. Fun fact: that cow's wearing a wig. It's got a little toupee on.
Oh, it's got a cute little toupee.
The Bruce Forsyth of cows. Bruce Cowscythe. Why has it got that big lump in his chest?
Oh yeah. Do all of them have that?
Yes. Maybe that lump is the cow's, like the cow version of boobs, because the udder is like the feeding part and the lump is the sexy part of the boobs.
The sexy part.
But in like humans, the sexy part and the milky part are together. Whereas in cows, perhaps they separate them. So in cows, they have like a big chest lump, but no milk comes out of it. It's just there for the balls to go.
You know how they say that if cows are lying down, it means it's going to rain? So some of them are lying down. That one's licking the other one's back.
That's weird. But if the cows are lying down inside, it might just mean that another one of the cows is going to do a shit in a minute. Like that one there did.
Hey, that cow's like literally licking the other cow's
I can see it. The shit's all hanging out of its bum still. Don't zoom in on it. That's disgusting. I want to know if the cow that's licking.
It's going to take it forever to lick the entire back.
She wants to, or whether she's doing it as a favour to the other one. Who do you think is benefiting most out of that relationship?
It might be mutual.
It might be. Sapphic cows. That means lesbian, doesn't it? Would you lick my back? My equally hairy back. Oh my god, his tongue. Fun fact, Shetlands have guard hairs in their coats which make them waterproof. It's noisy. Haven't really got a lot to say about ponies. They've got their back to me anyway, so fuck them. Fun fact, some goats are called the motorbikes of the sea on account of their handlebars. You're not going to question that I said the motorbikes of the sea.
No, sea motorbikes.
They don't live in the sea, just live there.
They'd eat the sea.
Yeah, they'd eat anything. They'd eat everything in the sea. Imagine if there was a type of aquatic
Hey, look
goat.
at the thing on it
Like,
dangling under its
all right,
neck.
just talk over me.
Oh, sorry, but I got
No, it's
distracted
fine.
by this.
I was free
Look at the two danglers.
No, I don't want to. I'm just going to talk over you while you're talking about his danglers. You know what those are?
Danglers.
No, they're hands, like a T-Rex. As I was saying, imagine if there was an aquatic breed of goats, because they should breed that, genetically engineer them, because the seas are full of rubbish nowadays.
They just eat everything.
Just drop a load of sea goats in there.
Oh my goodness, that's such a good idea.
I think so.
You should patent that idea.
Why are hard of hearing pigs bad at communicating?
Why?
Because they have poor sign language. That's
Ah.
more than that. That's hissing.
Which one hissed?
This dude. I don't like this.
Do these geese belong to the Queen?
No, that's swans. Also, the Queen's dead. They belong to the King now if they did, but they don't.
Belong to the Queen's ghost.
Okay, too soon? He's so evil.
How can it be too soon? She is a ghost.
The only way to shut these geese up is to feed them, like me.
It just hissed at you.
It looked right at me and hissed, so it's not getting any more of this. That's a rule in my life. You hiss at me, I don't feed you. It's dead to me, that goose. Unbelievable. Oh, go away.
Paul, these are my favourite. My favourite. Hello.
Hello, both of you.
Pygmy goats.
No.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They smell like goat cheese.
Do they? You too. You're nice, yeah, I like it. You're nicer than the other goats. Salt lick.
Oh, your favourite.
Just stroking you, honestly. Don't do that. I gave you food, at least I can give me permission to touch you. Bought you dinner. You should have permission to touch.
Paul.
That's a joke. Not a misogynist. You just fed the entire bag to the goat.
No, I
and the
didn't. It stole the bag. It ripped it, and then look, that one's watching.
Why was the bag even in near the
wasn't.
goat's mouth?
It wasn't. I was doing that.
Whole thing disappeared into its mouth. 'Cause
Now
of
that
you.
one wants the bag.
If it dies of paper poisoning, that's on you.
Stole the bag.
Fun fact: that disgusting thing on a turkey's face is called a snood.
Is it?
It says there.
Cool.
we've been to the shop,
Yeah.
got some souvenirs.
Cool.
Yes, I feel bad. Also hungry. So we got the fun book telling the animals to maintain social distancing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we didn't do the bear hunt. Can you find the names of all the bears hiding around our farm? No.
Beamer. Is that Beamer?
Yeah.
I'm not reading that out. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God. Did you enjoy the farm, Sanja?
Loved it.
What was your favourite animal in the farm?
I liked the chickens with the hairy legs. I liked the pygmy goats. I liked the pigs and all of the animals.
So you just listed like 90% of the animals.
Yeah,
What was your favourite?
My favourite were the pygmy goats.
Why? Because they're small and cute like me?
Yeah. So cute. Oh my goodness. And then if I give you some food.
I might just go back and slap that wooden pig again. What if that lump is like, you know, cows have got udders?
Yes.
Everyone thinks, oh, cows' udders are boobs, but they're not. They're like just for feeding, whereas that lump there is for the bull to like have a look at. Like human boobs are like, you know, there for looking at as well as feeding. I can't even bring myself to say that ironically.